So get a spoon and stir. Take your time. So you see, it's not a lot of soup I'm cooking, just a little bit of soup. So the yam, everything combined together, right? Now I'm going to add the pieces of chocho in there. Because it's vegetable, so I just put it in. So I have my Irish potatoes, my chochos, my carrot, and all the above, right? Just a little bit. So there, see the chicken have a lot of oil on it. So when you're having the flu, you don't want a lot of oil in it, neither pepper, oil or pepper, because it's not really good for the flu. So what I'm going to do, take off some of the grease of the oil off it and throw it away. It's not good for you. All right. See? Lot of oil on it. So you don't need a lot of oil. Chicken gives oil. No matter how you wash it and whatever, it gives a lot of oil. So I'm taking off the oil off it, right? So the piece of time was there. So time getting it before time. Wow. So anyways, this is it. All right, see different? Right. So you don't have a lot of oil in it and everything combined together. So now I'm going to put in, so here I'm adding the cock soup. So I'm adding the cock soup to the pot. Now for this cock soup, so you have to stir it because the cock soup will get lumpy. So you have to stir as much as possible. So this is how the soup now look now, guys. Very beautiful.